The casual-elegant paradox, a 470-word summary. Casual elegance is the art of combining comfort with refinement. It's not about flashy pieces or expensive labels, it's about intention. A white tee and jeans can feel as elegant as a silk dress when styled thoughtfully. The magic lies in contrast, pairing laid-back items with structured, polished ones. Think of a hoodie under a tailored coat, or joggers with sleek loafers. It's dressing down with direction, where basics become elevated through quality, fit, and detail. Fabric plays a crucial role. High-quality materials like thick cotton, linen, wool, or cashmere instantly elevate casual pieces. A $20 tee in the right fabric can look like a $200 statement. Fit matters just as much. Casual elegance depends on silhouettes that skim the body without clinging or drowning it. Tailoring, even small alterations, transforms off-the-rack basics into flattering. Intentional outfits. Color choices also define this aesthetic. Neutrals, ivory, camel, slate, navy are the backbone of casual elegant dressing. They harmonize easily and highlight cut and texture. Tonal layering adds depth without chaos. Denim, a staple, must be chosen with care. Mid to dark wash jeans in timeless cuts, free of heavy distressing, become the canvas for polished styling. Essentials like the white t-shirts shine when they have structure, weight, and clean lines. Layering adds dimension when done right. Start with slim bases, add texture in the middle, and finish with structured outerwear. Keep the palette cohesive and silhouettes defined. Shoes are foundational too. Elegant casual footwear is clean, minimalist, and polished loafers, ankle boots, and sleek sneakers over trendy or worn-out options. Accessories are the final touch. Jewelry should be curated and intentional. A delicate necklace or ring can transform a basic outfit into something memorable. Handbags signal elegance instantly. A structured leather tote or classic satchel grounds even the most relaxed ensemble. Color blocking, when done with rich, balanced hues, creates visual interest and style authority. Beauty matters too. Clean, simple hair and makeup complete the look. A sleek bun, brushed brows, and a soft lip elevate without overdoing. Even the tiniest styling tweaks like a French tuck or cuffed sleeve convey effort and care. These touches turn a simple outfit into a styled one. Hero pieces, like a sharp blazer or sculptural trench anchor, your wardrobe. They're not about being loud but about lifting the entire look. And above all, minimalist elegance wins when it reflects personal tastes. It's expressive, clear, and never cluttered. Casual elegance is less about what you wear, and more about how and why you wear it. When you get the balance right, simplicity becomes unforgettable.